In order to automatically load test results to TestRecon, we have developed an agent that runs on the Windows machine that listens for test results and automatically loads them to TestRecon. In order to install the agent, you need to click on Tools and click on the Download button. Once you have installed the agent will create a folder, a local folder that matches the projects and folders inside TestRecon. For example, as you can see, we have one project named Sales Tools that has three folders: desktop, website, and mobile. Spotter has created folders locally in your Windows machine that map to the projects and folders in TestRecon. The project that Sales Tools is here. If you drill into it, you'll see the folders named desktop, mobile, and website. Let's say that we wanted to load test results to stable smoke. If you look under website, stable, smoke, you'll see that the folder is empty. In order to upload test results, you need to have a test suite. So we will create a test suite. The smoke test suite is here. Spotter will be listening, and in a few minutes it will be creating a folder with that name. As you can see, now that we have a folder called Smoke Suite, which matches the test suite that we just created. In order to automatically load the test results, we need to somehow put the test result files in this Smoke Suite, for example, folder. We can do it manually, but the most effective way is as to have the program or the application or the tool that you're using to run your test results place a copy of the file in this location so Spotter can detect it and load it to the site. For the purpose of this demo, I will manually copy a file that I already had and place it in the Smoke Suite folder. The way that this would work, and every day when you test run, as soon as you complete, the test result file, a copy of the test result file will be placed in this location. And since we have a map of the test suite, local map of the test suite in your machine, Spotter knows exactly where to place that file. In a few moments, Spotter, which is this agent over here, will be waking up. Spotter can be configured to wake up every few minutes. You can tell it to run every minute, every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, whatever often you want it to run. In this case, Spotter woke up, noticed that there was a new file, uploaded the file to the site. If you go to the history page, you'll see that the Spotter agent in this case uploaded that file, and the file is in a new status, meaning that it's ready to be picked up by the loader. One thing that you should notice is that as soon as the files are loaded, a copy of them is placed under results, processed, complete. Um, yeah, in this case, the date matches the date of when the file was created, but a copy of each process file is found here in case you needed to look at it for some reason. Um, but if you go back to the projects, test that there's some a mapping of the projects as well. If we refresh here, you can see that now the loading of the file has been completed. You go to the smoke suite, and here's the test result that we just loaded.